What you need is a stamp, some frosted crystal embossing powder, perfect pearls, a clear embossed ink pad, some brushes, a heat tool to melt the embossing powder, and then I'm working here on the black heavyweight distress cardstock, and I have a piece of scrap paper to catch the embossing powder here, and working on the nonstick craft sheet. And to begin, we're going to ink up our stamp with the clear embossing ink. And you want to make sure that you get a good coverage of ink. And I already cut this down to size that I want, and I'm going to stamp it in the middle. And I'm working on the black cardstock because I feel with this technique it shows up the best. Okay. And then once you stamp it, you take your frosted crystal embossing powder. Now this is an embossing powder that has a lot of texture to it. There's different size crystals. And then you take off the excess. And then we're going to return that excess back into the jar. And then I'm going to go ahead and emboss this until it's melted. Okay, and you know that it's done because it turns kind of clear as opposed to like the white. And before we begin, we need to let this cool down a second. All right, and now we're going to apply the perfect pearls over top. And there's something about the resins that are in the embossing powder and in the perfect pearls that allows it to stick. The perfect pearls allows it to stick to the embossing powder. So I'm gonna start with perfect copper. And I'm taking my small brush and I'm kind of going to paint over top. And I like, you can use like a fine stamp, but I love the way that this looks on a big bold stamp like this. You just really see the impact of it. And I'm even going to go a little bit into the top of these letters here with that. And I'll continue painting. Okay, and once I have the color on there, I'm just going to wipe it off with the bigger brush. And I'm going to go ahead and go with the next color, which is perfect gold. Wipe off that other color and just continue painting on top. And you could just do one color, you can do many colors, you could put you know, colors in random spots if you like. And you just keep repeating, putting the perfect pearls over top. just like so. And then I'm going to brush these off. And I'm brushing towards the top so I don't get it to the bottom as much. Okay, I'll take my next color, which is the Perfect Bronze. Wipe off this brush over here. And then we'll continue on with going over the top again. I'm going a little bit up here at the bottom of these letters, just to give it a little blendy look. Okay, and again, I'll brush off the excess. Let me just wipe this brush off too. Then you can see how beautiful that looks. If I bring it closer a little bit, you see you get a nice textured finish and a sparkle too. So let me get that out of the way. And I do have a little bit of excess, so I'm just going to give it a little wipe with a paper towel. Very lightly over the top of the letters there, but just to get the little bit of excess off. Okay, I think that's good. And then just to give it a little set, I'm going to mist it with water. So let me get that paper out of the way. I have a Distress mister, and I'm just going to give it a quick mist, and then we're going to let this dry, and then we're going to go ahead and put it onto the card. Okay, so now that this is dry, I've trimmed it down to just make a little more even. And now we're going to attach it to our card. I have here a background that I embossed in gold, and I'm just going to glue this down. And I'll put it right in the center, like so. And just see how fabulous that looks. All right, so now I'll show you a few more things that we did. We have this card here where we put multiple colors on the leaves and also did the sentiment. That's really pretty. And then we have this one here where we used a wood background stamp, and it's frosted crystal with some cappuccino pearls on top, and it just gives it that little bit of extra texture. And then I have one more card to show you. This is with violet perfect pearls and the frosted crystal, and that just makes a real pretty textured background as well. So if you'd like to see more videos about embossing, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.